Hello, and welcome to the Utility Telephone video training series. We hope this will enhance your experience with our new utility telephone hosted in the cloud phone service. This tutorial will help you understand and use the most common features available with your Accession mobile client. Please use the panel on the left to navigate to the section you would like to learn more about. You can press the pause button at any time to pause the tutorial. To move to the next feature, either click on the feature link or use the arrow button to navigate to the next feature on the list. To exit the tutorial, click the exit button located in the top right-hand corner of the player. Once you've downloaded Accession Communicator from the Android Play Store or the iTunes App Store, you're ready to use your business soft client on your mobile phone or tablet. Click the Accession icon to launch the application. You will be presented with a list of carriers. Find and select yours now. Read and accept your user agreement to be presented with the login screen. You have additional options to allow incoming and outgoing calls. Enter your CommPortal phone number and password and then press Login. If you are using an Android, you will now be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. Press Continue when you are finished. To view the menu on your device, press this button in the top left corner or swipe right. Here you can select any of the Accession mobile functions. Press the Contacts tab to bring up your list of contacts. Here you can scroll through and select your contact. This list includes your network-based contacts and your device contacts. On your mobile phone, you can access the dialer through your menu. On your iPad, your keypad is always available in your top right corner. Also available in the menu is your Call History tab where you can access your call logs. Your Messages or Voicemails tab lets you review all of your CommPortal voicemails and faxes. To access Call Manager, select it from the side menu of your Android or Apple device. Also in your Settings tab, you can configure options such as notifications and specify whether to allow calls to use 3G or to use Wi-Fi only. If enabled, Accession Mobile also lets you view the presence and instant message those contacts that also use the Accession chat feature. Now that you've launched Accession, it will continue to run in the background while you use your device, notifying you of any calls or voicemails. It's easy to make calls with Accession Communicator. Open your keypad or dialer to manually input any number, then press Call. Or you can choose to scroll through your list of contacts, select a contact, then choose a phone number on the right to place the call. During the call, you will see a menu with your in-call options, including mute and speakerphone. If you are talking to someone with a video-capable device, you can add video to your call by simply pressing this button. You can always turn it off and return to a voice-only call. This option is located in the menu. To end your call, press this button. When someone calls you, you can accept the call or decline it by pressing or sliding the green or red buttons. On an Apple device, when you have Accession running in the background and receive an incoming call, it will notify you with a ringtone and a pop-up message. You can then launch the application to accept or decline the call, or answer the call by tapping on the notification. You can access your Call Manager settings even when you are on the go, which will then synchronize between all your devices. You can see that my phone is set as Available, meaning that by default it will ring all of my devices when I have an incoming call. By default, your calls will go to voicemail when you don't answer, but you can also choose to forward calls that you don't answer by toggling the on-off switch or checking the box here. Then configure your forwarding number. You can select from your list of contacts or enter a phone number manually. Press Save or OK when you are finished. You can also choose to forward all calls to the forwarding number by selecting this option. Or you can set your phone to Do Not Disturb to send all of your calls straight to voicemail without ringing any of your devices. Call Jump is a powerful feature that allows you to seamlessly move calls between your devices. When you're on a call on another one of your devices, you'll see this indicator here, letting you know that you can pull that call to your mobile device. Tap the indicator to reveal the Call Available button. Press this, and then tap the circle to pull your call. The call will switch over seamlessly without causing any disruption to your conversation. When you're on a call on your mobile device, you can also push that call to another device. To do this, press the Switch button on your in-call menu. If you're using an Android, choose the option labeled Another Device. All of your other devices will begin to ring. Continue the call on any one of these devices by answering it. Once you do, all of your other devices will disconnect. From an iOS or Android smartphone, you also have the option to switch your call from the Accession client to your normal cellular device. Just choose the option labeled This Device Cellular. Wait for your cell phone to ring and answer it to continue the conversation there. This operation is much like a call transfer. Your Accession call will end and your cell phone will start to ring. You'll want to notify the other party as they will hear ring back until you answer your incoming cell call. If enabled by your service provider, your Accession mobile application provides you with an embedded interface where you can see the presence of other Accession users, as well as send and receive instant messages. By selecting Chat from the main menu, you are given the option to create a new chat session or continue an existing chat session. When chatting with a contact, you can quickly see their current availability as shown in the icon at the lower right of their picture. Access all of your CommPortal messages from this intuitive interface. Here, you can see a list of all of your messages in order of receipt. You can easily tell what types of messages you have, whether they are regular voicemails, video messages, or faxes. If you have speech-to-text enabled, you will also see a preview of the transcription. Select a message to review it. You will see full message details and complete transcriptions where available. To listen to your voicemail, press the play icon. You can pause the playback or fast forward and rewind using the slider. To delete your message, press the trash can icon or delete button. You can recover deleted messages from the Deleted Messages folder. If you're using an Android, you'll find this under your menu options. Select a message and then press the Restore button. Video messages behave the same as regular voicemails. Just select a message to view its details and for playback options. We hope you enjoyed and benefited from this training video. If you have additional questions, please check out our other videos or call customer care at 877-965-7800.